Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into Google Spreadsheets to explore how you can easily calculate percentage increases for salaries. Let's jump right in. We'll start with a basic salary example and calculate a percentage increase. In cell A1, type initial salary. Let's assume an initial salary of $50,000. In cell B1, type percentage increase. Let's say we want to calculate a 10% increase. In cell C1, type new salary. In C2, type the formula shown on screen. This formula multiplies the initial salary by 1 plus the percentage increase to get the new salary. And there you have it. The new salary after a 10% increase is $55,000. Now, let's reverse engineer this. What if you know the initial salary and the new salary, but you want to find out the percentage increase? For this example, let's use an initial salary of $50,000 and a new salary of $55,500. In cells E1 and F1, type initial salary and new salary respectively. Fill E2 with the initial amount and F2 with the new salary amount. In cell G1, type percentage increase. In G2, type the formula shown on screen. This will calculate the difference between the new and old salary and then divide it by the initial salary to get the percentage increase. There you go. The salary was increased by 11% to arrive at the new salary of $55,500. Calculating percentages in Google Spreadsheets is simple and intuitive. Just remember the formulas and you'll never have trouble with these calculations again. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.